How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create the delayed fulfillment flow in Klaviyo. And the reason why you might want this flow setup is simply because you want to use it to reduce order cancellation, especially for first-time customers. So to set this flow up is very, very simple. All you need to do is go to your Klaviyo. On the left side, you want to go to flows, then click on create flow. And you want to search for delayed fulfillment and click on create flow. Normally, when you create this flow, the wait time is 8 days on Klaviyo, but I think 2 days is very fine, and this is what we use for all our clients. So first thing first, you want to go to the trigger. So the trigger is going to be placed order, and the filter for that is fulfilled order 0 times since starting this flow, and cancelled order 0 times since starting this flow. So the next thing is the wait time. Like I said, 2 days is fine, but again, you can calculate that depending on your shipping time and also your shipping condition. So, but we think 2 days is fine. The next thing is the email. So we are using just one simple email in this flow, nothing too fancy, and it's just a simple plain text email with a mix of the dynamic block. That's what we're using to create this email. So as you can see, this email is a very simple email, nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy, just a very simple semi-plain text email. It's a dynamic block here. So dynamic block is basically the product the person bought. So this table right here is going to show what the person bought. Normally, you don't have to have this, in the Klaviyo template, you don't have this block, but we just create a block to add a little bit of personalization to the email and just showing the customer what they bought before, basically personalizing the email. And, we have a little bit of copy, telling them that we apologize for the delay and all of this kind of stuff. So it's a very simple, basic email. You don't need to get too fancy. But let me show you what that looks like. Header text here telling them about the delay, the product the person bought, and also a little bit of copy here with a link going back to the website. So this email is a very simple email, nothing too crazy. But let's say you want to create this block and you want to do this by yourself. Let me show you how to do that real quick. So what you need to do is go to tables here. So you want to find this table and drag the table here. So the next thing you want to do is configure this table to show the dynamic block. So first thing first, we want to go to styles. Then we want to change this to dynamic and delete the column 2. So after that, we want to go back to content and change it to image. The next thing we want to do is we want to change this image to a dynamic image. So you want to click on select image, then go to dynamic image, then paste this right here. Then paste this right here, this item.product. So I'm going to be leaving this in the description. So you want to go to select image, go to dynamic, and paste that here. So that's going to pull up the image of the product the person bought. And you want to click on save. So the next thing you want to do is have this alternative text here. So item.product.title. I'm also going to have that here. Another thing you can also do is change this to 300, and you want to center align it. Next thing you want to do is go back to styles. Then you want to copy this to the row collection. So row collection is event.extra.line. I'm going to be leaving all of this in the description. So styles, paste this here. Then here you want to just leave it at item. And that's basically how to create that. So let's preview this email and see if the second table is working. So this is the email preview. As you can see, this is the blog that we just created, and this is the initial one before, showing the same product. So that's how to put the dynamic block if you want to set that up. So I'm just going to delete this one and leave the previous one before. So that's how to create a simple delayed fulfillment email in Klaviyo. It's a very simple email, but it's one of the most important email you should have in your Klaviyo if you want to reduce order cancellation. So that'll be all for this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below, and I'm going to be leaving all the URL and tags I used in this video. I'm going to be leaving it in the description so you can look into the description for that. So that'll be all for this video. If you find it valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.